Good morning students. I hope you are all doing well. In this video I am going to teach unit 2 poem The Kite. But before enter the topic, let me ask one question to you. Do you see any kite? Do you fly any kite? And what is the significance of kite in your life? And then why do you think there are two strings attached to the main string of the kite? To provide a strong support and foundation, a well-planned preparation before the final journey to the sky, so that these two strings are attached to the main strings of the kite. And then imagine yourself as a kite. Imagine the blue sky and unknown journey of life. Now, where are the strings? Our parents. Our parents, our mentors, our friends, they are our strings to life. They prepare us in a better way to fight with odds of life. Let us see the introduction of the poem Kite. It is a short melodious poem. The poet has drawn a beautiful picture of the flying kite through words in this poem. We all love to see flying kites, but never noticed how it flies. Through this beautiful word picture of a flying kite, the poet is just persuading the readers to fly one and notice its beautiful moves. So, let's get started with the poem line. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Let us see the line by line explanation, okay. First two line explanation is, the poet says that the kite when it's new on during its first flight, it is so beautiful, so pretty and vibrant in the blue. Here the word blue refers to the clear sky with no dark clouds. So he says the kite which flies in the sky, it looks so beautiful. Next line, with a dive and a dip it snaps its tail. Here what is the poet saying? The poet says that the kite with the swiftness as well as its softness. In its movement, kite creates a snap. Snap means cracking sound in the air. When the kite flies in the sky, you must have heard the cracking sound. It makes that is known as snap. So basically in this first four line, he admires the movement of the kite, which is so vibrant, so beautiful, so swift. Swift means quick. Yes. Moving to the next four line. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. Here the movement of the kite is compared to the ship with the sail. Just when a ship or a boat catches wind, and the wind makes the boat or ship move forward. Similarly, the kite also shows high with movement of the wind. How a ship and boats move in the ocean? It moves in the direction of the wind. The same way, the kite also shows high. It also moves whichever the direction of the wind move. The same direction kite also shows high. Next four line, clings to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. So here the poet says the air pressure is very strong when there is a strong wind. How the ship rises on the waves of the ocean when there is strong wind. Same way, when there is a strong wind, the kite also rises on air in the high sky. When the wind falls, the kite also comes down and take rest. Okay, move to the next four line. When strings go slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. So what is the poet saying here? The poet says that the thread which is tied to a kite loosens. The flyer, what does he do? Here flyer means the person who is flying the kite. What does he do? He runs against and rolls it back so that he can control the kite from falling down. Yes. After controlling the kite, the flyer waits till a new breeze blows again. And when the new breeze blows again, it fills its wings with air. He makes it fly high in the sky. And next stanza, and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Here again the poet repeats the starting line of this poem, but the difference is that in the earlier lines the poet talks about the beauty, the movement of the kite, the craze of the kite. But here in the last 4 lines, but a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Here he finds that the poet mentions that state of the kite when it gets stuck on the tree top and get raggeder. Here raggeder means torn out. Here the condition of the kite is very bad. Why? Because of it stuck on a tree top. In the beginning it was crazy, beautiful, pretty and vibrant. But now the condition and situation is not the same, as it has stuck on a tree top and become very old. A look is not liked by anyone. So this poem was written by Harry Benn. He was an American screenwriter and children's author. Yes, this poem is over. I hope you all enjoyed this poem. Thank you.